reports says that Xiaomi would not launch a successor to last year's Redmi Note 4. But Redmi Note 5 is apparently being tested internally, and is expected to be launched in the second quarter of 2018. The smartphone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 processor. A report by MyDrivers suggests that the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 is being internally tested. Rumors also suggest that the Redmi Note 5 will be priced higher than its predecessor, and is expected to be priced at 1,599 Chinese yuan, roughly 15,700 rupees, for the base variant. The release has apparently been delayed, as Xiaomi India is waiting for Qualcomm to announce its latest Snapdragon 632 processor, which is a toned-down, underclocked variant of the Snapdragon 636 chipset. The Snapdragon 632, however, retains the Qualcomm Spectra 160 ISP modem that is better optimized for dual-camera setups. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 is run on MIUI 9, based on Android 7.1. The phone is feature a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display, with an 18:9 aspect ratio. According to the report, as I said earlier, the Redmi Note 5 will be powered by the upcoming Snapdragon 632 processor. A recent Oppo listing suggested that the phone will come in two variants, 3GB RAM, 32GB inbuilt storage, and 4GB RAM, 64GB inbuilt storage. As for the camera department, the leak suggests that Redmi 5 Plus feature a dual camera setup, with one of the modules housing a 12-megapixel sensor and 5-megapixel camera for selfie. The Redmi Note 5 is also packed bigger 4000 mAh battery. Details about the launch of the Redmi Note 5 in India are yet to arrive, but we can expect it to come to the Indian market within weeks of the announcement.
अभी तक आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए तो सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और ये बेल आइकन के घंटे को बजा